So this is Miya's before and after, as far as getting her mouth into a stable position so that we can now move on to giving her her top 10 veneers. Miya actually travels 2 hours to come and see us. She travels from Denver, and she had a lot of anxiety coming in because she had some past dental trauma, which a lot of our patients do. And so it took a lot of courage for her to come to the first visit and to get her initial assessment. And what we did on that initial assessment was we took some x-rays, we took a lot of photos, we call it the comprehensive exam, and we sat down, we looked inside of her mouth, and we really got to know what her goals were. Now, she has a timeline on when she wants to get a brand new smile because she's getting married in September. And so we sat down and came up with a systemized treatment plan based on what her goals were. And so that first step is getting everything kind of cleaned up as far as her cavities, her periodontal disease, and getting the infection taken out of her mouth. It's like building, if you think about building a house, this is an analogy I like to use a lot with our patients. Building a house, so you don't want the foundation to be rotting out. You want to make sure everything's nice and stable before you start building a beautiful second level or building, an addition to your house. Same thing with your teeth. So our first goal was to get things stable so that now we can build on a nice solid foundation when we go to build her smile. This is her after from just getting things stable. This is a 2-week follow-up, and you can see here everything's a lot whiter, getting the decay taken out of her mouth, really brighten her smile up in just one visit. Her gum tissue is nice and healthy. It's turning into a nice pink color, a light pink color, which is what we want. And now we're in a position to design Miya's smile, which we'll go over in the next video. Where do we want to put the teeth, and how bright do we want to go? What shape do we want to make them? So we are really excited with the progress that Miya's making. We're really excited for the next steps of giving her smile to her at the next appointment. So make sure that you guys follow along so you don't miss the next steps in Miya's journey.